Hello students, welcome you to this session. So we are doing now Venn diagrams, right? Applications. So using Venn diagrams, we did few sums. And the last few questions we had to do. So we start with sum number 11. It's a very simple question. Listen carefully what is given here. In the given diagram, n of u is 125. So total n of u is 125. Y is 2 times of x. Y is 2 times of x, that is 2 into x, right? And z is 10 more, so plus 10, 10 more than x. Suppose if they say 10 less, you write x minus 10, right? So 10 more than x. Then find the values of x, y, z, that's all. So 3 unknowns, so 3 equations we need, 2 equations we have. So I'm taking them as equation number 1 and equation number 2. And you know, if you add everything, you are supposed to get n of u. What is n of u here? 125, right? So you add everything, see, first I'm adding the alphabets, x plus y plus z, plus the numbers you see, 5 is there, plus 6 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 17 is there, right? If you add all these, you are supposed to get what? 125. Now, please listen here. X I am writing as it is. Instead of y, using equation number 1, that y can be replaced by what? 2x. And z can be replaced by, from equation number 2, x plus 10. All the remaining terms you add 17 plus 3, 20. 6 plus 4 is 10. 20 plus 10, 30, 35, right? So plus 35 equal to 125. So now group all the x terms together. You are getting 2x plus x, 3x plus x, 4x, right? 4x plus 45 equal to 125. So 4x equal to 125 minus 45. So you are getting 4x equal to, how much you are getting? 80, right? So x is equal to 80 by 4. So you are getting x equal to 20. So question is find x, y, z, right? So here you can say we used result number 1 and 2, right? Using 1 and 2. Because y we replaced by 2x and z we replaced by x plus 10. Okay, now x value got it. Now to find y and z, use equation number 1 and 2. Equation 1 says y equal to 2x. Substitute in the first equation, y equal to 2x. So that is 2 into 20. So y equal to 40. Equation 2 says z equal to x plus 10. Equation 2. Z equal to x plus 10, x value 20 plus 10, you are getting z equal to 30, right? All the values you got it. See the question. Find the values of x, y, and z. So finally you write the answer. So x equal to 20, y equal to 40, and z equal to 30. So hope you understood. It's a very simple question, right? So total, if you add everything, you will get what? 125. Then some equations you have to form. Y is what? 2 times. 2 times means 2 into multiplication. 5 times, so 5 into, right? Z is 10 more than x. 10 more than means plus 10. So Z is 10 more than x. So Z equal to x plus 10. That two values you substitute here. You are getting an equation x. You can find x value. Once you know x value, you substitute in 1 and 2 so that you will get what? Y and z. Now let's go for the next question. Just go through this question. Each student in a class of 35, total strength is 35, right? So n of u equal to 35. Each student in a class of 35 plays at least one game among the three games given: chess, carom, and table tennis. So table tennis we can use T, chess and carom starting with C, right? Either you can take, let A denote chess, B denote carom, and C denote table tennis, or for our convenience I am writing chess, I am taking CH, chess, carom, CA, just I am taking like that, and table tennis I am taking what? T. So these are the three sets. Now listen, so everyone play any one of these three, so no one is outside, right? No one left out. Okay, 22 play chess. 22 play chess. So n of chess, CH I am writing. Okay, 22 play chess. 21 play carom, CA, carom. 15 play table tennis, so n of T, right? So first three. Next they said 10 play chess and table tennis. Chess and table tennis. And means intersection. Last class we studied, right? R means union, and means intersection. So 10 play chess and table tennis. 8 play carom and table tennis. Carom and table tennis. That's 8. And 6 play. So 10 play chess and table tennis. 8 play carom and table tennis. 6 play all the three. 6 play all the three, right? 6 play all the three. So that is in the center, right? Then they asked, find the number of students who play chess and carom but not table tennis, only chess. Okay, let us try to fill the table. Now please listen, something is missing here, so be very careful doing this. First you fill, for all it is 6, right? So here you write 6. Next one, carom and table tennis, right? Carom and table tennis means this portion. Carom and table tennis, totally you are supposed to get 8, already you written 6, right? So write the balance. So you will be writing 2 here. Next is what? Chess and table tennis. Chess and table tennis means this portion, right? Chess and table tennis 10. But already you written 6. So 10 minus 6, it is 4. That also we finished. Now next one you see n of t. So inside table tennis, that is this portion, right? In this circle, totally you are supposed to get 15. But already you written 3 numbers. 6, 4, 2. Add it. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Out of 15, 12 already written. So what's the remaining? 15 minus 12. It is 3. Okay, that also we finished. Now listen very carefully. Now, carom 21. Carom means this and this 21. This 6, 2. Everything together you get what? 21. But 6 and only 2 numbers we know, so you cannot write that. Then chess 22. That means again 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 together only it is what? 22. So something we don't know. So I am taking this one as X. Now listen carefully. Carom 21. Carom 21. Already written something. What you written? So carom totally you are supposed to get 21. But remove what you have written already. What you have written? 6 plus 2. That is 8 plus X, right? 6 plus 2 minus X. So you are getting 21 minus 8, minus into minus is plus X. So 21 minus 8 is what? 13. So 13 minus X, that 13 minus X you write here. Same way chess. Chess here they given what? 22. So chess they given 22. So 22 minus, already written something. So written X, 6, 4. So 6 plus 4 plus X. That is 22. 6 plus 4 is what? 10. So minus 10 and plus X. So what you are getting here? 22 minus 10 is 12. 12, this is minus X, right? Because outside we have a minus sign. So minus of X. So minus 10 minus X. So 12 minus X. So that 12 minus X you write here. Okay, now X you can find out, no? Because total they said n of u is what? 35. So n of u, so universal set it is what? 35. So no one left out. So add all the entries. You are supposed to get 35, right? So n of u is 35. n of u equal to 35. So that means you add everything, 12 minus x, 12 minus x plus 13 minus x plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 35. Add everything, you have to get 35. Now can you simplify this? Minus x plus x cancel. That's all. Now add 12 plus 13, 25. Here 1, 6 plus 4, 10. So 25, 35 plus 5, 40. So 40 minus x equal to 35. Take that minus x to that side, plus x equal to 40 minus 35, that is 5 equal to x. So you are getting x equal to 5. Now see, once you know x value, you can write anything, no? How many of them, x is what, 5, right? X is 5. How many of them play only chess? It is 12 minus x. X value 5, so 12 minus 5, 7. How many play only carom? 13 minus x. X value got it. So substitute there. So 13 minus 5. Like that you can answer anything. So first what they asked, number of students who play chess and carom but not table tennis. Chess and carom but not table tennis. So number of students. So first subdivision, number of students who play chess and carom but not table tennis. Chess and carom but not table tennis. So listen, so which portion will come? They play what? Chess and carom. Chess and carom is this full portion, but not table tennis. So that means the 6 should not come. 6 play all the 3, right? So number of students play only chess and carom, but not table tennis. The meaning is only chess and carom. Only chess and carom. That is this x. So you have to find what? X for that. So this is equal to x, and that x value is what? 5. So this is the answer for the first part. Now see the second part, what they asked, number of students play, see what they asked, number of students play only chess. Can you see only chess, this portion? Only chess. 12 minus x, right? So only chess. Number of students play only chess. What's the answer here? 12 minus x, right? So 12 minus x, x value 5. So 12 minus 5. So your answer is what? 7. And the third subdivision, number of students play, what they asked? Only carom. Only carom is what? 13 minus x, right? 13 minus x. Equal to 13 minus x. X value 5, so 13 minus 5, so the answer is 8. So hope you understood. So x, so some cases we put x in the middle, right, for all the 3, but here somewhere also these type questions you go through. So hope you understood. So now let's go for the next question. See question number 13. In a class of 50 students, see what they asked, each one come to school by bus or by bicycle. So again you have bus and bicycle, right? So one we take bus, BU. Bus or by bicycle, BI I am taking, okay, bicycle or on foot. Okay. 25 by bus. So total in a class of 50 students, so you know n of u, right? N of u, class strength is 50. So n of BU by bus, how many students? 25. 20 by bicycle. 20 by bicycle and 30 by foot. 10 by all the 3. 10 by all the 3. That is bus, intersection, bicycle, intersection, foot, right? All the 3. Now what they asked you see, how many come to school exactly by 2 modes? how many come to school exactly by 2 modes? 2, exactly 2. That means only 2. That is, these are the three portions you had added. So that 3 you find out, you add, or I'm taking that as this is x, this is y, this is z. So the answer is x plus y plus z. How many students come to school exactly by 2 modes of transport? Exactly 2. That means only 2. Only 1 means this portion, right? That is for exactly 1. 1 alone. Now here the meaning is 2 alone. Exactly 2 modes. So that is x plus y plus z you have to find, right? So now let us see how to find that x plus y plus z. All the 3, it is what? 10. All the 3 they given us what? 10. Okay, now let us see how to do this one. Now listen here. So a little bit different question, right? So see, all we are written. Now we take this f. Inside f, totally you are supposed to get what? 30. Inside f means this portion. Here totally you get 30 only, but already written something that should be subtracted. So inside f, you are supposed to get 30, but already written something. What you written? So 30 minus of, which one to be subtracted? That 10 plus y plus z. All the 3 you have to subtract, right? So what you get actually? 30 minus 10 minus y minus z. Like terms you simplify, 30 minus 10 is what? 20 minus y minus z. So here you write 20 minus y minus z. Same way, you take the next one. Next one you take f you written. Now bicycle, totally it is 20, right? For bicycle it is 20. You are totally 20. 20 means bicycle. This portion fully it is what? 20. But already written 3 values. Which 3 values? X. So from this 20 you have to remove, right? From that 20 you remove what you written already. What you written? X plus 10 plus y. These 3 should be removed. So what you get? 20 minus x minus 10 minus y. By that minus you multiply. So see what you get? Like terms 20 minus 10 is 10 minus x minus y. That you write here, 10 minus x minus y. Now just one more, right? What it is? B of u coming by bus. So by bus it is 25. So coming by bus it is what? 25. So what do you have to write here? From 25 you remove these 3, 1, 2, 3, right? These 3 you remove from 25. So 25 minus of, what you written there? X plus 10 plus z, right? That 3 you have to subtract it. So see what you get? 25. By that minus you multiply, you get minus x minus 10 minus z. Like terms 25 minus 10, what is that? 15 minus x minus z. That you write here, 15 minus x minus z. Now that's all. What do you do now? Total, you know, total is 50, right? N of u is what? 50. So no one left out here and all. So adding everything, you have to get what? 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the 7 values you have to add, right? N of u is 50. So N of u equal to 50 implies, add everything. First one is what? 15 minus x minus z plus we have x plus 10 minus x minus y plus, now come to the second row, z 10y, right? Z plus 10 plus y plus one more 20 minus y minus z. All these together, n of u, it is what? 50. Now we have to simplify this. Listen. Minus x plus x minus y plus y minus z plus z cancel, right? Now add the constants. So 20, 30, 40, 55, right? 55. Now what other things we left out? What we left out, you check. Minus z minus x minus y. So minus x minus y minus z equal to what? 50 in the right side. So all the negative values take it to the right side. So all the minus will become plus, right? Minus x you take there, plus x plus y plus z. 55 we have, bring that 50 to the left side, minus 50. So 55 minus 50 is what? 5. So 5 equal to x plus y plus z. That is x plus y plus z equal to 5. That is what we need actually, right? X plus y plus z, exactly 2. X plus y plus z. That only they asked. See what they asked here. How many students come to school exactly by 2 modes of transport, right? So number of students come to school. Therefore, number of students come to school by exactly 2 modes. Exactly 2 modes of transport. Equal to x plus y plus z, and all the 3 together x plus y plus, no need to find separately and all, right? X plus y plus z, you got it as 5, and that is your answer. Okay, hope you understood. I think I taught all the questions in the exercise. Example, some same method you can do. In one question they given say 2/3 of say 600. That means 2 by 3 into 600. Okay, just to multiply, you'll get what? 400. Okay, like that you can do. Most of the questions, very simple questions only, you can do it of your own, all the example sums. Just I want to give you only one example sum. The last one, that is little bit different one. Just one, that alone I'll help you. Look at this sum. A survey was conducted among 200 magazine subscribers. A survey was conducted among 200 magazine subscribers. So n of u equal to what? 200, right? N of u equal to 200. Different magazine ABC. So here no problem, ABC only, right? It was found that, please listen very carefully, it was found that 75 members do not subscribe magazine. Do not subscribe. So I'm going to convert it into subscribe. So earlier we did, in the last class we did one sum, right? Failed, passed, like that we had taken, right? So here, totally 200 subscribers, in which 75 members do not subscribe magazine A. That means how many subscribe for magazine A? Totally 200 subscribers, in which 75 of them not subscribe. So that means the remaining people, they subscribe for that, right? What's the remaining? 200 minus 75. So n of A equal to 200 minus 75. So it is 125, n of A. So inside A, totally it is what? 75, because we are considering subscribed. It is given not subscribed. So just we find the difference. So you'll get subscribed. Now, how many subscribed for B? You see the next one. 100 members do not subscribe for B. So totally 200. 100 of them do not subscribe for B. That means the remaining. What's the remaining? Remaining 100, right? 200 minus 100 is also what? 100 only. So number of pupils not subscribed for B is what? 100. So those who subscribe for the magazine B is 200 minus 100. So that is what? 100. Now let us see how many subscribe for C. So what is given here? 50 members do not subscribe for magazine C. Out of 200, 50 of them not subscribed for C. That means the remaining. What's the remaining? 200 minus 50 equal to what? 150 they subscribe for C. Okay, this is what given. See what they asked here. And one more information. 125 subscribe at least 2 of the 3 magazine. Very important one. So this is one of the very important information. With this one we are going to do. 125 subscribe, not exactly. Exactly 2 means 1, 2, 3. These 3 portions we had added. Previous question we did know. That is for exactly 2. But here not exactly 2, at least 2. In previous class I taught at least. That means at least 2 means what's the meaning? 2 or more. 2 or more means 2 or 3 magazines, right? Totally there are 3 magazines. At least 2 means 2 or more. 2 or more means these are the places for 2 or more. More means 3 also. This is 3. All these 4 together, it is what? 125. Hope you understood. All these 4 together, 125. Now what they asked, number of members you subscribe exactly to magazine. That means these 3 we need, this total of these 3. Okay, so I'm taking that as x, y, z. So for the first one, the answer is x plus y plus z. I'm taking it as x, y, z. So now look here, number of members who subscribe exactly to magazine. So you are supposed to find x plus y plus z, because in that positions I marked x, y and z. If you mark a, b, c, you have to find a plus b plus c. Okay. Now see the second subdivision, number of members you subscribe only one magazine. Number of members subscribe only one magazine means 1, 2, 3, these 3 portions. That also they asked here, right? So that 3 also you added. So I'm giving some other name for that. I'm taking that as say A, B, C. So for the second subdivision, your answer is A plus B plus C. For the first one, exactly 2. So I have to find x plus y plus z. And for the second one, only one magazine, so I have to find here A plus B plus C. Depends on what names you give. It's not compulsory you should give only this name. You can give L, M, N, whatever it is, but do it correctly. Okay. So one blank is there, right? Something we left out. All the 3 we don't know. We take it as R. All the 3. Or you can take it as some other letter, D or W, whatever it is. We are taking it as what? R. Now please listen. So 2 things we have to find. We don't want all the letters separately. We don't want A, B, C, X, Y, Z, R. No. We want A plus B plus C. That is the answer for second subdivision. We want X plus Y plus Z. That is the answer for the first subdivision. Now please listen here. In 3 steps we can finish this. First, what I'm going to do, we are going to use this information. What they given here, 125 subscribe at least 2 of the 3. 125 subscribe at least 2 of the 3. So, number of people subscribe at least 2 equal to, how many they said? 125. See the positions, at least 2 means 2 or more. That is x plus y plus z plus r equal to 125. Take it as equation number 1. Now you know, another one information you know, the total strength, total is 200. N of u is what? 200, right? That means you add everything, you are supposed to get 200. So, N of u is 200. N of u is 200, meaning A plus B plus C plus X plus Y plus Z plus R equal to 125. You add all the entries. It should be not 0, it is what? 200, right? N of u is equal to, it is not 0, it is not 125, it is what? 200. N of u equal to 200. Now please listen here, in which, see equation number 1, x plus y plus z plus r. So x plus y plus z plus r. For this portion, you can substitute what? 125, right? So next step, what I'm going to do now, that a plus b plus c I'm writing as it is a plus b plus c plus, for the remaining 4 letters together, x plus y plus z plus r, everything together 125. I am using equation number 1, right? Equal to 200 using the result number 1. Now take this 125 to the right side. You will get one answer. A plus B plus C equal to 200 minus 125. That is A plus B plus C equal to 75. This is the answer for which one? A plus B plus C. Second one. Number of members subscribe only one magazine. That is A plus B plus C. That you got it. 75, right? Now one more we need. X plus Y plus Z. For listen, how to do that one. For that we do in a different way. We use the formula. So what formula, you know, N of A union B union C. This is the last step. Listen carefully. N of A union B union C. One lengthy formula is there, right? What's that formula? N of A plus N of B plus N of C. Then next 3 minus, right? Minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Now please listen very carefully. How to substitute the values? Listen very carefully. N of A union B union C. Some values we are going to find from the diagram. Some values we are going to find from here. Okay, so listen carefully. N of A union B union C means the whole total strength, right? Total strength. N of A union B means the total, no one is left out here. That means the total should be, it is what? N of U, it should be 200. So N of A union B union C is what? 200. N of A plus N of B plus N of C, that we have here, right? N of A plus N of B plus N of C. What are the values? 125, 100, 150. 125 plus 100 plus 150. Okay, N of A plus N of B plus N of C. 125, 100, 150. Now please listen to the next one. First three we finished. Next, minus N of A intersection B. So you find N of A intersection B, then you put a minus. Minus of A intersection B. So where we have A intersection B, see, A intersection B, A intersection B is this portion, right? What you written there? X plus R. X plus R. That you put in a bracket. Outside you have minus sign. That minus is for both. You be very careful. Next is minus of B intersection C. Minus B intersection C is this portion, right? What is that? Two numbers there, R plus Y, R plus Y. Minus of A intersection C. See, what is A intersection C? This portion, R plus Z, right? R plus Z. Then finally we have plus N of A intersection B intersection C. What is that? All the three together. A intersection B intersection C means this portion. What is that? R is there. So plus R. This is what we have. Now please listen here. So 200 is equal to, you add all these things, 100, 100, 100, 300, 50, 25. So 375. Now since minus is there, by that minus you multiply. So you get minus X, minus R, minus R, minus Y, minus R, minus Z. Last one, 1 plus R is there, right? You can cancel this plus R and minus R. See what you have? 375. So what you're getting here, 200 is equal to 375. You take a minus sign from minus R is what? Minus 2R. Don't do like that. Listen, I'm going to teach in a different way. You group these minus X, minus Y, minus Z, and 1 minus R. So which one you are taking? Minus X, minus Y, minus Z, and minus R. From that you take a minus outside, so you will get X plus Y plus Z plus R. So I am grouping only the terms what I marked here. Then one term left out. What is left out? This minus R I left out. You may ask why we are doing like this. See equation number 1. Equation number 1 is what? X plus Y plus Z plus R can be replaced by what? 125. X plus Y plus Z plus R. Now you see the term inside the bracket. X plus Y plus Z plus R. So we can replace it by what? 125. So this is a different type question, right? 375 minus, what is that? 125 minus R. This is 200. So 200 is equal to, you subtract 375 minus 350, 250, right? Minus R you are getting. So you are getting minus R you bring here, plus R equal to 250 minus 200. So R is equal to 50. R is equal to 50. See what they asked here? R 50, but we want X plus Y plus Z. So again we use equation number 1. R value, you know, that R value substitute, so you can find the values of what? X plus Y plus Z. So equation 1 becomes, put this value in equation number 1. Equation number 1 says X plus Y plus Z plus R equal to 125, right? X plus Y plus Z plus R is 125. R value 50. So X plus Y plus Z plus R value 50 equal to 125. Take that 50 to the other side. X plus Y plus Z equal to 125 minus 50. So that is also what? 75. So X plus Y plus Z is 75. So that is the answer for the first part, X plus Y plus Z, 75. So, but write the step. Don't leave it here. So we finished everything. Number of members who subscribe, exactly 2 magazines. Exactly, 2 magazine, right? Number of members, 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 2 magazine, right? Num number of members subscribe exactly to magazine equal to magazine exactly. So it is x plus y plus z, right? So it is x plus y plus z. All the three together, the total only we are getting what? 75. And the second one, number of members subscribe exactly one magazine, right? That's what they asked. So that we taken as A plus B plus C. Please listen here. Number of members who subscribe only one magazine, that is A plus B plus C, and that A plus B plus C already got it as what? 75. That is A plus B plus C. So that is also 75. Okay, so a little bit different question. So these type questions you mark it. So before the exam, when you go for the examination, give more importance for this. Okay, because overnight you cannot go through all the sums, right? You cannot work out every sum. But the different type questions, so give more importance so you won't forget that. Okay, we'll continue the next class.